All right, today's a shop day. We got a lot of rain the last couple days. I'm finally getting around to tweaking this trailer up. Let me show you what I'm doing. So both of these fenders, this is I think from blowouts mostly. Okay, got the Bobcat chain down. We're only from this location, we're only about a half hour or so from Kentucky. So that's why I left it here. So this time I'm much more prepared. Since the last blowout, which I don't know, a couple years ago maybe, I got a 4-ton jack and power tools, so this is much easier. I don't have to take the machine off. So you can see the 4-ton jack worked perfectly. Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. So on this particular equipment trailer, I've had I think 3 or maybe 4 blowouts in the last 3 years. Kind of an unusually high volume, and I've been trying to figure out what the problem has been. So one of the problems is these fenders, which we're gonna address that today in the shop. From each of the blowouts, they've become loose, and the dirt and rocks get in there. They get in the crease between the deck and the fender, and they push them out towards the tires. And I don't know if the tires rub on the fender or not. But anyways, that's what we're going to address today in the shop. We're going to fix that problem, and then going forward, we're going to see if there's some other underlying issues that is causing me to have all these blowouts. The weight is pretty good. I mean, it's a 14,000 pound gross trailer. I haul about 11,000 plus the trailer weight, so I'm under the 14,000 as far as the weight goes. So let's get in the shop today, just do a quick vlog, some fabrication, and then we'll see if this thing's going to work or not to prevent any more future blowouts. There we go. Now I got it one more spare, but it's at home. Now I'm going to feel vulnerable. All right, today's a shop day. We got a lot of rain the last couple days. I'm finally getting around to tweaking this trailer up. Let me show you what I'm doing. So both of these fenders, this is I think from blowouts mostly. You can see that, plus it's starting to rot. This is getting a little bit old. So both fenders do this. And rocks and dirt and stuff gets in there and keeps pushing it out. So I'm pretty sure I got that one done. Let me show you what I did. Granted, it's not always pretty, but as long as it's functional. So this one here, I can't budge this at all. So I put a plate in here on the inside. And I kind of needed that plate for a spacer because this is bent. I don't know if you could see this. So if I were to suck this all the way in, which is what I wanted to do, I would have lost an inch of trailer space. And when I put my tractor on, it is tight. So I had to leave that gap. I was going to fill it with a bar, but I don't think I need to, because now that it's, all welded, dirt can't like force itself in there and push this out. I mean, yeah, if I hit this with a machine, it'll pop it off, I'm sure, but. So I got to do that to that side, and then I got to change this tire. So I'm wondering if it's this axle that I had repaired in Kentucky. They actually had to build one. And this side could just be out of alignment. So I'll put a new tire on. I got a backup one. Because, I mean, yeah, you can see that wear. Whew. So I could be that axle. Anyways, I'll change that. I'll grease it all back up, and we'll be ready to hit the road again with the excavator. All right, so here's where I'm at. I got this one welded up. Got that one welded in the back and the front. Spread some caulk. down the creases. I'm going to paint that black, but that should keep the gunk out of there, rocks and dirt, from wanting to push this fender anymore. Now for the tire and lube, and we're almost there. This stuff just got to dry. I'd like to get paint on it since this trailer stays outside, but we'll see what we get for today, rain or sunshine. All right, a lot easier when you have the right tools. The old power socket, boom, 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 loosen it up on the ramp. I'm gonna get my spare, and then I'll take this one. Actually, I have two spares. I got one brand new one there and another one in the garage I'll put on here, and I'll take this one in and get another new tire and be ready. The other three look good. I mean, I put new ones on, 2 of them last year, so I should be in decent shape for a while. All right, the new one's going on. Right, I'm gonna snug them down yet. Looking good. All right, we're loaded up. Took like 9 hours, it feels like, but we're loaded up. Right, Curtis?
Yep, already dripping sweat.
Yeah, I already told them 2 wasted shirts and we're not even moving yet.
Yeah.